welcome back to the channel Fun and Study Zone. So how are you guys? I hope you all are fine and even I am too. So guys, in today's video we will be continuing with our tenses series. So last time we learned how to construct interrogative sentences in the simple present continuous form. So in this video we will be further working on this project. So without any further talking, let's get into the video. But before, I want you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and also click the bell icon next to it. Get this video as many likes as you can and share this video with your family and friends. Let's begin. So as you can see the title, simple present continuous tense, and in this we will be learning the concept of infinite. Yes, we have learned this concept in other tenses also, such as simple present tense, but we also have to do this in this form. So let's take a look. So first of all, I want you to take a look at the example which says you are going to dance. So make sure that you concentrate on the underlined words, underlined verbs, are going and to dance. Its Hindi translation is तुम नाचने जा रहे हो. Alright, so you observed the sentence. So now let's see what is the difference. In the basic sentence, first of all we are going to divide it. So you are going, you have to concentrate on this much part, you are going. This is basic sentence of simple present continuous, where we have applied our subject plus is MR plus verb plus ing, right, which is very basic and we have already learned that. But further there are two words, to dance, which perform the task of infinity. So overall there are two verbs in the single sentence, you are going to dance, if you observe carefully. So there are two verbs, right, in the single sentence, you are going to dance. So now in order to construct such amazing sentences, you have to take care of a rule which is extremely easy. So let's go and take a look at the rule. Alright, this is the rule. So let's see. First of all, you have to apply your subject. In my example, the subject is you, tum, plus is, am, are. Now you are not going to apply all of these three helping verbs. You have to actually decide that what's the subject, and depending on the subject, you are going to apply the helping verb. For example, if my subject would be she, so I would have applied is, and same way आपको अपने subject को ध्यान रखते हुए अपना helping verb लगाना है, which is very basic. Then you have to apply your verb. So my verb is go and then ing, so it converts into going. So you are going, this is basic. Then comes the infinity. So then you have to apply the infinity thing, and the equation or the rule for that is to plus verb की first form. You will not apply the second form, nor you will apply the first form plus ing. आपको अपने infinity में to लगाना है, और उसके बाद we all know that after to word आने के बाद हम लोगों का ना ही second form लगता है, nor we apply ing with the verb. We just simply apply the first form. So over here my verb was dance, which first form is dance only. So you are going to dance. You are going to dancing or you are going to danced are not grammatically correct sentences. So after to, the main thing you have to take care of is that you have to apply the first form of verb, and you don't have to apply ing or any other thing like that. Now I have prepared some more examples for you which will help you to understand this concept in a better way and construct these sentences. So let's go and take a look at those amazing examples. Alright, so Rama is reading to win. Over here my subject is Rama, then my is MR, मैंने अपने subject को ध्यान रखते हुए अपना helping verb लगाया. Since the subject was singular and with singular we apply the is helping verb, so I have applied is, so Rama is, and then my first form of verb read and then ing, which converts reading. So Rama is reading and then the infinity thing to win. So Rama is reading to win, which Hindi translation is रमा जीतने के लिए पढ़ रही है. Then the second is Emma is practicing to write. They are going to study. We are helping them to learn the answer. You can also apply extra words which will improve your sentences. Now, if you observed carefully, over here my subjects were they and we respectively. So with those I did not apply the helping verb is. Instead I selected are because we all know कि they और we are plural होते हैं, इसलिए उसके साथ are लगता है. Now this sentence is negative one. So let's take a look. Ronald is not practicing to run quickly. Just the difference is कि helping verb के बाद आपका वो negative word not आ गया है, which converts your sentence into negative. So Ronald is not practicing to run quickly. And the last example, the subject is I, जिसका helping verb है am. So I am not going to narrate a story. So guys, I hope you understood the concept. If you just take a look at the rule, practice to make such extremely amazing sentences, so you will be able to construct more basic sentences. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did so don't forget to give thumbs up. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. We'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.